gentlemen, my fellow Nigeria, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. You are all welcome. I greet all of you now. All my Edo people, now good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening, my Edo people. I greet everybody. I always salute for now. It's me, yo, Queen TV. I don't come again for the same topic. So the topic today is that we have to vote governor. It's already our governor, our excellency, Pastor Ize Iyamu, for governor, for Edo to move forward to better Edo people. Because nobody will not like better thing. Because I just the hammer this year, the hammer for Edo, the hammer for Edo. Why? Now waiting good now all of us want. So my fellow Nigerians, my fellow Edo people, my fellow Edo state people, I just dey beg now. Make we know the right thing. Make we not because of say Oshomole. What they concern Oshomole for this one? Already is Pastor Ize Iyamu that won the election before it was be taken by Obaseki. So I tell God beg una. I beg una where make we tell our beg because nobody will not like better thing. Nobody will not like better thing. I beg. Make we gather, make we vote for her. Make we vote for Pastor Ize Iyamu as a governor of Edo State for this 2020 election. Market to me, make una time, make una shine una eyes. Make all of una shine una face. Make una not let anybody mislead una. I beg. Go see Oriomo Road. You cannot go to Oriomo. Make I just talk of only one state, or talk less of the 19 states. Make I just talk of only one state, talk less of 19 states. I talk less of 18 local governments. I mean to say, make I just talk of only one local government. Make I not talk of the rest 17 when they remain. The only one self, go make una go see Oriomo site. You cannot go to Oriomo. Abraka Road, you cannot go. I go show now for this video. You can't go there. See all those roads. See Osarieme. I go show now. Because because I don't get sorry for Edo people. If you can't enter, what do you want to go do again? You don't get anything we want to do. So make we vote Pastor Ize Iyamu to better Edo State, to move Edo forward for us. You don't get anything when you want to do again. You don't get anything because if you enter again, that 4 years, you go take and satisfy all those godfather. When they choose, they go so. You go take and satisfy all of them. You don't get time for us again. I don't think God they beg una Edo people. Market women. You know build the market too. Make one not expect you can't build market. You know go build that. If you not be only 2 weeks, only 2 weeks. Now China take build hospital, big hospital. Only 2 weeks. Now China take build big hospital. Hello, brother, I there for life. Do you understand me? Only 2 weeks. Make me sorry, oh. Now China take build hospital during COVID-19. So if that what the person want to do, as market born, it mean he want to do one. Now want tell me say you not go fit do one. You not go fit do one for 3 months. So now GCV be that one. I beg. This election, I beg make we not just look face. Make we not look money when they share. Make we not let anybody deceive you now. Say you want to do the work when they do remain. No work when they do remain when they want to do. No work. Because you know get the time take to one. Now this new PDP will go jump. Now you go share the money. He must satisfy them for this tenor when they with this tenor. If he enter, he will satisfy them. So make we shine our eyes. make we vote Pastor Ize-Iyamu to better Edo State for us. To better Edo State for us. But he don't do anything. I know she say Obaseki build new school. I know she say Obaseki build new hospital. I know she say the road when they even say construction, if they renovate the road, as they say they renovate, which road they renovate? He don't renovate any roads. Not being renovator. Now NDDC now renovate road, not be him. NDDC now renovate road, not be Obaseki. Okay, the High Court. When you renovate, now you build down. I just say God beg you now. You dey beg you now. Make you share now why because I don't want to make other people they suffer again. I don't want to make they suffer. Masses they suffer. Masses. Youth. Make you now wake up because now the thing dey body.
Blessing. I don't know.
That's when they die like fowl they throw away. You know they pay you now. Insecurity there for Edo State. Before market go dey born, they don't go know. Insecurity to there for Edo State. Market or just they born to artists like that. Say nobody go know. Is it possible now? Is it possible? Security not there for Edo State. The money don't enter voicemail. The money enter voicemail. I beg. Okay, 200 million when you go give a Lagos State governor, you know go need to develop a Tosa market. You don't do one. It's after his pocket. Me I for you the year now say person when no want of Godfather, you don't want Godfather. You the hear that word, go they pay me for year because I don't want make a the hear Godfather word for year. I don't want make a the hear because I don't see what Godfather can't do for year. Then make a they repeat all the time. Godfather don't make you not do anything. You get one Godfather, you take a shot. Okay, because if they come vote for an I no go fish out against a Godfather because that they go satisfy all the Godfather when he gets. I beg. Make una see roads. Just only one local, only one this thing now. Local government now. See road. Talkless of the 18 local governments. Schools. You not do one. Ugoloba school. Ugoloba that side. No road to go Ugoloba. But then I hear all the road that they call those areas. No road to go that place. People when they do farm for those farmers when they there, now they still they follow that they buy their market. They know they still they follow that they buy.
This time.
Yeah, me no buy Jamie. Ugboni ya gbeti ya mo ya ri ya. They know they still they follow that they buy all those Ugoloba sides. But then I all long and all long they call am. All long man ya Ugoloba side wa akia. Yeah, I want Ugboni reni. Yeah, me no buy Jamie. Because because I make a mwenda. Imotejo Odema only my equal. Why waiting? I just beg una beg. Let us gather hands together. Let us join hands together to move the door forward. My person don't look face again say Obaseki. If you do good, I go talk. See roads. No hospital. Go see Central Hospital. You will see Panadol, you not go see fancy. You will see fancy, you not go see need to take injection. It's good like that. Masses they suffer. Masses they suffer, you they suffer. See, teachers, no payment. Teachers they complete their own. Okay, where all the money? I bet Pastor Ize-Iyamu, he know our feeling. He know our pain. As I talked about before, he knows our pains. He knows our feeling. He can move a door forward for us. Let us just carry in there for change. We need change. They know that time for agreement say Obaseki must rule for 8 years. Talkless na one for the demonstrate say talk back. They know that for agreement. No person go make everybody you chop I chop. Make everybody dey better. Not be you gonna go want. If they chop, poor people they suffer. Now life with that. All people dey suffer. Who no get money no go fit go hospital. If you go, no see money to treat yourself, you go die for there. All people dey suffer. If you as a governor in the chop, another they see the poor people, nobody go talk. We need changes, I beg. Vote is there, Jamu. To better life, to better Edo for us. Let us join us together. Isha people never go Isha. Go see Isha lands. Nothing dead there. No work. You don't do anything for Isha land now. You don't do anything for Isha lands. I bet Isha not be Edo State again. What do you do for Aunchi? Huh? What do you do for Aunchi? What do you do? Let us just join together. Let us move Edo forward. Let us vote for Ize Iyamu. Pastor Ize Iyamu. It's our choice. It's Edo choice. They are been it before, but this one they cannot bend it again. They cannot bend it again. If God no ordained to be our governor, if you not still get this ticket, it's been ordained by God. Pastor Isaiah is being ordained by God. If God no ordained now, you not go fit get this position where it is so. People go dey talk say, he first work with Igbenedion, Lucky Igbenedion. If he work with Lucky Igbenedion, now he be governor. Not be governor. He never do governor before. Which man he get to talk to Lucky Igbenedion? Shaibu, which man Shaibu get to talk with Obaseki? Talkless chief for staff will come get man to talk with Igbenedion. It doesn't know he be deputy governor now. It's a different thing. He work with Igbenedion for 12 years ago, I be 13 years ago, I be 14 years ago, I be 16 years ago. What did I want to come do for this one? I can't do anything for this one now. Because not be the governor. Not be there for the driver's seat. Not be there talk what go happen for Edo. It be like message at that time. Let us join us together for better Edo, to move Edo forward. So that everybody go dey happy. Person no count money give you. Person do hospital where. You go hospital. Then you get money or you don't get money, they treat you. It's not a benefit for the poor. Market women, no toilet for market. You go dey market, you go dey find where you go dey shit. You go carry pagolo dey shit for inside market. You go carry pole dey shit for inside market. Na market be that. Make I not look olden days though. That one I past tense. Make you look this modern life now when we come the enter now. Make I not talk say because before na Sunday they shit for pagolo. No. Go and do our market. Na inside pagolo. Go and close our market. Na inside pagolo. No public toilet. At least they're supposed to be well, they'll put well for there. They go put toilet, put people when they want that toilet. When they grow up, I come meet them for Olia markets. Those days, when they grow up, toilet day for inside Olia market, water day. That's when they wash them, it day there. But this time around, it not be happening again. So we want change. You look at the unless na pagolo where person want shit. At the end, they'll come collect money from all those women. Oh. They'll come and collect money. Oh. Let me say they not go collect money, but if they collect money, no enjoyment, no benefits. Just so that out all those women. And I'm not go take care for ourselves. You people don't have to beg government come and build make come build make come help us build the market. Why are you begging? It's government duty to build the market for you. You don't need to beg government. It's their duty. You don't beg them, make they come collect money. Now beg you beg them, make they come build that for you. Upon all the beg, no they not come build that. Why they begging? So this is time to shine your eye. face. Don't fear anybody. Don't fear anybody. Go see this thing now. See Ubuyoko. I thank God for all those people. This is where they were shouting. That when Obaseki went enter, he promised that he go do that place. Now they vote am. Say go do the road for them. See the Keke na bear people. Well, since he enter 4 years don't come, but he not do one. Okay, now these 4 years now you can't do one. You not go do anything. Let us join hands together and vote Pastor Ize Iyamu as a governor of Edo State to make Edo move forward for us. He knows our pain. He knows what we are passing through. He was there in Benin there. Grow up there, stay there. If they see all the Obiogwe, if they see all the Odafe. When we say, if money not come from a way, bro, people not go chop for Edo State. It cannot be so again. Who not get money for overseas? You know if it chop. It not be the overseas. Who not get money? Before you will say your pikin go overseas, you go read book. You go even dey from Nigeria dey pay school fees. But now, parents no go fit do am again. Na only dem dey fit dey do am because na our money wey dey carry. Parents no dey fit do am again. Abeg, I take God beg una, make all these things change. We no dey forbid say market dem build am for una, toilet go dey inside, everything go dey inside, well go dey inside. Who dey wash themselves na work be that? Who dey wash the toilet? Not be work e get. Light on the day market, light. When be say when day go dark, all market go dark. No light. Light suppose to dey inside market. Even though people don't pack comot, they don't close in the evening, light go dey there. Now all those ones then we want so make it happen. So we don't want Obaseki na Gabadebe again. Obaseki when he frustrate people for plan where maybe I'm not gonna believe. He carry bag come out. They can clear people for Edo State. They can kill many people. People when they die because of plan where not be smart because everything no record that time. Because it don't tell nobody will come follow and argue him again now. That pattern, I don't say, you see day here. Now here the day. So what they do for now? Don't do anything. I beg my brother and sister. I don't tell God they beg now. Not that I hate him. I didn't hate him. I didn't hate him at all. Now what you go for I don't know I want. I know hate her. I know hate Governor Obaseki. I don't hate her. Now what you go good? Now the truth that they talk. What you go good for Edo State? Now I want. Now what you go good for Edo State? Now I want. So let us know what is good for us. Pastor Ize Iyamu is going to be the governor of Edo State. God has ordained him as the governor, and is going to be the governor by the grace of special God. God has put him there. That God will never fail him. The God that put it there before, when they steal his mandate, that God will still rise up again and put it there. And nobody can steal his mandate for this trip again. In Jesus' name. Nobody born of a woman that will steal his mandate again now. So I just say God beg you now. I beg where. Make we vote Pastor Ize Iyamu as a governor of Edo State, to move Edo State forward for us, to renovate schools for us, to build schools for us where school never see day. Where schools not day sufficient, to make it build another new one, put money day. Edo State get money, make do road for us. Make light not be Agbado go get, secular not go get. All market, they go build that to modern one. Toilet go there, everything go there. If person want do something for person, if they ask, let me say na him money. Market when he born since December. Now they take they year 100 million. 100 million. For where 100 million they come from? All those ones are scam. They think they scam now. They want to deceive you now. person go dey sick, person go dey disabled, you no go see any help from government. They go come dey open mouth dey talk for you to make una help o, internet go dey talk make una help o, church make una help o. Who suppose to help that person? Is it not government? Is it not government? Oh, yeah. If na oversee, dem go help am. Person when you get problem, you are entitled to government. Government will send you out in overseas. But not be say we not get the money for Nigeria. They go dey blame Buhari. Buhari not get anything for all this one because Buhari don't bring money come out. Buhari bring money. That's why there is division of labor. Buhari go do the one when they go do. You ask money, Buhari go give you. After Buhari give you money finish, it's not left for people to work with the money. What if I go put the money for Bagolo and go other? Buhari go know again. You don't go know. I beg. We need Pastor Isaiah Yamu. When God send concern me, come help us. Put a door betterness for us as it be for overseas, as it be for a Weibo. Now we want her for. I beg God the Edo people. Edo State people. He shall make una get up. How she get up. All of them make una get up. I beg. APC. No look face. Put her there. No listen to them say. Because every where one big guy water. Arioba magwala, arioba funegbe. No ga for the gbe, magwala. No waji go Ghana. When you dey share money now. PDP shares the money. He shares the money. So wala wo. I don't want to say no, my pikin. Just 15 minutes. Wala wo. Wala o. Only way do tamu wa. Wa we say rame mi jeme. Wa we say baba. Wa show e wala o. Open TV wa show e. Wa subscribe and share. No ma nga tame no wala wo. Wa show e because e no for the gbe. Me all the me when na gbe yakobo ko gbe na make na me we ma we e no even marry am benefit from the government. Ni mani ko ni we do ma me benefits. Ma me enjoyment. Wa show e wala o. Wa show e. Wa subscribe and share. This guy is not for me alone, it's for everybody. We need change. The more you got who like Belibia. I want to get a deal. I have this a wabo. And then who you know? Then who you know ya? Nothing. Then who you know? Then who you are soon? No work. You will never. I want 2 million job. I want to manage you to 2 million job. Okay, 2 million. A 200 million job. But what you can get? Which one? Omagani no majesuku. Omagani no jesuku. Palao. Let us join us together. Let us know what is good. Imabere no chomo le uwona. Owe neseme yagbe me. Ori gbe ni una gese. Neseme yagbe me o. Ori gbe ni una gese. Je me lete we mi le se okuze bude. O si e na akpo bolele. Ona market e here. We no na sell. Not knowing that e mi le se ode. E no se na ka we mi le se ode. E no ye de ma bere. Let all we mi ye do. Ona back popo akpobo yi dey this akodo le mi ro pa je. Se ko le mi ro pa ye to popo ji na yan.
Ah, o we le ya o la le swap tie le ya.
No na. Anyway, I popo me te we tagi make oro edeje. No do iwe adeswe do oro ye gba ya. O sare me omo guju gbogoto. Wupo. Wala wa share and like, subscribe. Wa baba o wa wese, wa big down yo, wa wese. All my viewers, all my watchers, thank you very much. I appreciate everybody. May God bless all of you.